Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I dye my wig jet black and how I avoid staining the lace. If you want to learn how to achieve this, then please keep on watching. Now, the wig that I'm dyeing today is originally a 1B, which is basically a brownish black color, so it's not like a very dark, intense black. It's like a natural black. When dyeing your wig, it's pretty simple. The only thing you really got to worry about is the lace. But once the lace is protected, you don't have anything to worry about. So before I start dyeing the hair, I'm going to go ahead and spray the lace with this Got to Be Free spray. And what this does is it basically creates like a barrier on the lace so that it doesn't get stained from the dye. So I'm just doing that right now. Then you want to go in with the blow dryer to dry the hairspray so that it's really nice and hard. Doing this step is going to make it really hard for the dye to seep through and touch the lace. And I did this like two layers of the free spray on this lace. To dye the hair, I'm using Ion Intensive Shine Jet Black Permanent Cream Hair Color. So I apply the dye all over the wig, and when I get to the very top, you guys, you want to make sure you're being very light-handed and not too heavy-handed. That way you are protecting the lace and none of the dye is touching the lace. This hair dye is one of my favorites because it has a thicker consistency, so it doesn't seep through the wig very easily. And that's mainly what I like about this dye. It's not very runny and it's very easy to work with. Alright, so now that the hair is all done dyeing, I'm going to leave it on for about 25-30 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash the hair out. First, I rinse the hair under cold water. And you want to make sure you wash the dye out with cold water so that it seals and locks in the color. Then you want to take a shampoo of your choice and shampoo your hair. After washing the shampoo out, you should apply a conditioner of your choice to your wig. Shampoo tends to strip the moisture from the hair and causes the hair to be dry, so it's essential to rehydrate the wig. And look at that. Lace nice and clean with no stains. So this is the final product. I hope this was helpful for you. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.